Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone flashlight not working. Step 1. Close the camera app. The flashlight won't work if the camera is in use. Open the app switcher, swipe up to fully close the camera app, try turning the flashlight on again. Step 2. Restart the flashlight from control. Pull down control center, tap the flashlight icon on then off. If it's grayed out, continue with the next step. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. A simple reboot fix most flashlight and LED glitch. Press and hold power plus volume up, slide to power off, turn it on after 5 seconds. Step 4. Remove the phone case. Some cases block the flash or press against the lens area. Remove your case, try the flashlight again. Step 5. Check low power mode. Flashlight may not work in extreme low battery situations. Go to settings, then tap on battery, turn low power mode off. Step 6. Reset all settings. If the LED still won't turn on, go to settings, tap on general, then transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset, choose reset all settings. This does not delete photos or apps. Step 7. Test the LED in camera app. Open the camera, switch to video, turn on flash. If the flash also does not work here, the LED may be faulty. After following those steps, your iPhone flashlight should working again. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.